bright that it fills our hearts with joy and love. And helps us through the night. Friendship is a bond of trust that never breaks or bends, that it gives us strength and courage, and supports us till be. And friendship is a bond of trust. Friendship is a treasure chest that holds our memories till that it makes us laugh and smile and wipes away our tears. Friendship is a treasure chest. Friendship is a blessing that we should always cherish, that it makes us